Hey sweet lovers! Welcome to Dobby's Signature. Today we're making one of the easiest and most nostalgic candies ever. Peanut brittle. It's crunchy, buttery, and loaded with roasted peanuts. You don't need a candy thermometer or any fancy tools to make this. For the full list of ingredients and recipe, do check the description below. Let's jump right in. To begin, we'll start by making the syrup. In a heavy saucepan, pour in the sugar and water. Stir to dissolve, then place it over medium heat. Let it bubble gently. You're looking for a golden caramel color. This may take 8 to 10 minutes, so don't rush it. Stir occasionally, but don't walk away. Once it's golden, add the butter and let it melt. Next, quickly stir in the roasted peanuts. Work fast because it sets quickly. If you want extra fluff and snap, add half a teaspoon of baking soda at this stage. It'll foam up and make the brittle lighter. Immediately pour the hot mixture onto a greased surface or parchment-lined surface. Use a spatula to spread it thin. To prevent it from sticking like this, just add a little oil. You can quickly score the surface into any shape you want. Let it cool and harden completely for about 30 minutes. Once it's hard, break it into shards. Listen to that crunch. This is the perfect treat for snacking or gifting. It's sweet, nutty, and super crunchy. Now you can pack it and store it in a cool, dry place. If you enjoyed this recipe, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and comment below what candy I should make next. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more sweet recipes. For the full recipe and more, scan this code for more goodness.